Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you already saw our club video, which includes this awesome Trimming Christmas stamp set. And if you're in the Die Hard Club, you are going to get the dies that match. But wait, there's more, because I put together the whole collection into one piece, one item, and you can get the whole collection all together for one very, very, very low price. Let's look at them really quickly. So first we have this add-on set, which is really fun because it takes the club sets to a next level, right? So now you have more of that size, which is really fun. Of course, there are dies that match. And you're getting those inside dies. Also, you're getting all these extra snowflakes. You're getting different bows. You're getting that little extra piece right there. You're getting like so much there, right? Then I wanted to do swirls. So I added in some swirls for some of the dies, which are so much fun. Then I wanted dots. So I added in dots for all of the dies, all of the stamps. Then stencil. Now you guys, I went crazy designing this stencil. So the stencil has 3 different sheets for all of the fun ornaments. So go check it out. Get this add-on collection ASAP because you're not going to want to miss out on any of these pieces. I'll see you on the website, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.